So it's official. Trump won the election on November 5th, and Trump is officially the president-elect of the United States of America. And Trump is going to be the 47th president in the nation's history. Now, I know that all of you, most especially investors, are excited and happy and like, yo, Trump is president. I am going to be rich. No, you are not. Whoever is president has nothing to do with how much your portfolio or your investments are going to grow. That is solely something that you control as the investor. However, Trump has great policies for businesses and investors, which without a thought, we all know that is lowering taxes. And when you lower taxes for businesses, they are able to get more profit. And profit and cash flow is the main driver for stocks. So if you're invested in businesses that have a lot of profits, which would arise from lowering taxes, and Trump is going to be increasing tariffs for foreign businesses, is going to force so many investors to be invested in US companies. So in Trump's administration, it's going to be favorable to invest in US companies. However, it doesn't change anything. Stocks always go up. And I'll prove that to you by showing you a stock market chart from the 1960s when John F. Kennedy was president down to now that we have the Biden administration, which will be out of office in a few weeks. I'm sure you've noticed a pattern. The red and the blue charts in the stocks are Republican and Democrat presidents since John F. Kennedy. And something that I'm sure that you can see is that stocks only go up regardless of who is president. So this shows you and it tells you that your choices that you make is what will be the biggest growth factor for your portfolio and your investments. It's important to understand that stocks follow an underlying principle. And if you follow this principle, you're going to make a lot of money investing. I call them the two-step investment rule. One is from observation and the other is analytical. From the principle of observation, all you have to do is look at where the world is going, what industries, businesses, and sectors are getting the most attention and the most capital inflows, where technology is driving the world to. For example, we are currently in the AI boom. So, what you have to do to make a lot of profit in investing is look at AI companies that are driving AI growth and understand that there's a lot of capital inflows in there. Then, after making that observation in the AI industry, what you're going to do is start looking for the best AI companies, and that is where the second role comes in, which is the role of analytics. So, when you analyze these companies, what you do is that you look into their financial books, and looking into books of companies is basically three things, which is income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow, and also other things as well that makes the stock worthy to invest in. So after looking at their income statement, their balance sheet, their cash flow, it looks great. They have more assets than liabilities. They have a good profit to earnings ratio. They have good earnings. They have more assets than liabilities. They have lesser debt compared to the assets and other things. You look at those factors, and when you come to the conclusion that this company is great to invest in, then you want to go all in. For example, those that notice where the world will be now 10 years ago and invested in Nvidia stock, they've made millions of dollars doing that. All they had to do was look at where the world is going. Okay, we are going to have a lot of technological advancements and it might be artificial intelligence. And they looked at the company that is at the forefront of that growth factor, which is Nvidia. And all Nvidia does is that they power AI with their machines, their products, their data centers. If you've read books about the gold rush, the people that made the most money during the gold rush weren't the people digging gold, but the people selling shovels, those that wanted to dig gold. And that is what Nvidia is to the world of AI. When you approach investing from the two-step investment rule that I mentioned earlier, it doesn't matter who is in office, you're going to make a lot of money investing. However, if you want a diversified portfolio, all you have to do is look at other industries that is enjoying the same attention that the AI industry is getting as well. And in today's world, tech, space, healthcare, AI are getting the same attention and capital inflows as the AI industry is getting. So if you want to make money off that optimism, all you have to do is look at the best companies in those industries and invest in them as well. And you spread your portfolio across those companies. And when you do that, it doesn't matter who is president, you're going to make a lot of money investing. If you want to know how my clients and I use this same two-step investment rule to make millions of dollars per year investing, all you have to do is join my coaching program. There's going to be a link in the description. All you have to do is click the link, fill out a form, submit it, and my team will handle the rest from there. Thank you for sticking to the end of this video. If you got any kind of value from this video, I want you to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video to someone that you want to see get rich as well. As always, success is the only option for you. I'll see you in the next one.